How to fix Uber driver app can't go online problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure you have the latest version of Uber driver application. To do so, go to your Play Store, search for Uber driver, and then if you have an update button, simply update it. In my case, I have not even installed it, but after you have installed it, if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and update to its latest version. The next step is go to settings, then go to apps, and then find Uber driver application. If you have installed it, it will be appear here. Then go to its storage section and simply tap on clear cache. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.